Hello friends, in this video I'm going to tell you how to add box shadow to a button in Elementor. Right now, as you can see, I'm editing a web page of my website using Elementor, and I have simply added a button widget in the section. Right now we just want to edit this button, and for editing the button you need to move your cursor over the button and you will find the pen icon in the top right corner. You need to click on that, and in the left side toolbar you will find three kinds of setting: the content setting, the style setting, and the advanced setting. So right now, as you can see, we are into the style setting, and in the style setting, when you scroll down you will find the box shadow settings. You just need to click on the pen icon in the front of box shadow. Here you can see there is color palette. You can simply select whatever the color you want. For example, I just want yellow color, so I will select yellow color, and I will decrease the transparency. And as you can see, the text shadow has been, the button box shadow has been added. We can simply change the horizontal and vertical position, right? And we can also increase the spread, right? Can also make the box shadow to be blurred. So this is how you can simply apply a box shadow to your button in Elementor. Apart from it, if you want to learn more about Elementor, I have mentioned my blog link in video description. You can simply visit my blog and read articles related to Elementor with video tutorials. And if you are interested in learning digital marketing in detail, then also I have mentioned my website link in video description. You can simply visit my website, explore our digital marketing course, and you can purchase the course directly from there. Thank you so much.
If you want to learn digital marketing for free, then subscribe Digital Bikana YouTube channel right now.